Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying who controls the clip and what rights exist. This is critical. Look for public domain, Creative Commons, or direct owner permission, and note exact license terms so you know what you can do. Once you find a license, make screenshots or save the permission email and record timestamps and file names for your records. This documentation protects you later, so do it now and store files where you can quickly retrieve them for uploads or dispute resolution. Next, focus on how you will change the clip to support reuse. Transformation matters. Use commentary, criticism, or remix work and keep clips as short as necessary. That strengthens a fair use claim when the purpose is educational or critical. Also, make sure to assess the market effect. Avoid replacing the original work. When license requires attribution, display author, title, license type, and source clearly in captions or credits, so viewers and platforms see compliance. Finally, obtain any necessary releases, especially if people or third-party music appear. A written release removes ambiguity. Prepare upload materials. Include concise license notes, timestamps for used segments, and credit lines in the description. Once uploaded, monitor takedowns and save all your permissions in an accessible folder. If you receive a claim, use your documented proof and a per-written counter notice. If unsuccessful, modify the clip further or replace the segment so you avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.